everybody, welcome back to the show. Today we're doing a home vlog because it's raining outside. Again, basically been raining since November. It's Oregon, whatever. If you're not aware, from my previous vlogs, I have severe allergies to pretty much everything outside, even though I like being outside. Every time it rains, all of the pollen gets picked up and thrown into the air and what have you. So I'm a little short of breath right now, so this vlog actually is not about me, or I should say an entire vlog about me doing my nebulizer treatment. I'm actually going to do something else fun with you guys today, but I'm doing a nebulizer treatment this morning before we get started. So hang tight, and then we'll show you some of the fun stuff that we're gonna do in just a minute. Well, not show you, but we're gonna include you and bring you along on this pretty boring, dreary, again, Oregon, again, rainy day, again. All right, now that we're done with that was so fun, super exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch for the kids, and then afterwards we're gonna do a little science experiment. It's one that's been going around for a little bit, but the boys finally want to do it, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. So yeah. Oh, and there's gonna be some things that you're gonna notice about the lunch with boys, or with the boys too, aside from my issues with food. Just wait. Okay, just wait. Okie doke. So here is kiddo number one, the youngest, who likes to eat very bento style, bento box. The only things that are sweet are the ones that have color. And everything that is salty or just crunchy is going to be dull in color. This is seaweed. This is salty, and it's like black or dark green. So yeah, crunchy bento box, everything separated. He can only have triangle bread. Hopefully he won't see that I accidentally broke the tip off of this one, because if he deems it broken, he won't eat it. And here is the eldest. Once again, a monochromatic meal with the sweet things having color. The orange is pretty close to being monochromatic though. So, yep. This is how my kids have eaten. I have tried vegetables. I have tried all the fruits. I've tried all those things. To no avail with the youngest. The eldest will eat it every once in a while, but it's a texture and color thing for the both of them. And they probably get it from me. So, I guess it runs in the family. Does anybody else have similar eating habits with their kids who are on the spectrum? Or if you're an adult, do you have similar eating habits? I still eat similarly, not the fish sticks because I can't have bread, I can't have gluten, but I eat in a bento style, and my food does tend to be very monochromatic, such as mashed potatoes with rice, crackers. I do eat the mandarin oranges, but I do also make smoothies, but my smoothies are very, very sweet, and they're colorful as a result as well. So sweet tends to be associated with color, and salty, savory tends to be associated with very bland, dull colors. Well, the sun came out slightly. There's a little bit of blue right there. So we're gonna go for a run real quick before we do our experiment today. See that one up front? He will run the whole way. No cars. Good job. He's being a dinosaur right now. You gonna be a dinosaur the whole time?
Yeah, that's because I'm running by a T-Rex.
Okay, and T-Rexes can run for a long time.
When the T-Rex Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, that's the new
Oh, and what sound does a T-Rex make? Mailbox. Yeah. Oh. What about a velociraptor? Still running. And he's taking off. Can we say track scholarship? It's starting to rain right now. Teeny tiny raindrops, the ones that hurt. And they like stab your eyeballs. That's what's happening. Alright, so after our run we decided to go to Peachy Berry. But then it started raining, so we had to turn around and go back. So then we waited till it stopped raining, and then we decided to go. But I totally forgot to vlog us eating, so here's my trash instead. There you go. And here's Oliver's trash.
My boba.
Yay! Yummy!
Charlie got candy.
Yeah, Charlie got candy.
So, he's in the back.
There he is. Jumpy, jumpy. Still jumping, still running. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Jumpy, jumpy. Tag. You want me to film you again? Alright, bye. That is why it is tough living in Oregon. These children need to get out of the house every day. And when it rains for 8 to 9 months out of the year, it's not possible. Okay, so we're back home. I'm gonna make a short dinner for the kids because we had dessert first. We're gonna make a short dinner, and then we're gonna do
video games.
No, we're gonna do our experiment.
Oh.
With the vinegar and the oil and the
We're gonna
alkaselzer.
make something special.
It's super easy to do.
It's really easy.
I'm trying to get to focus on your big head.
First? Dude.
Can we do our lava lamp first, Mommy? Can we do our lava lamp?
The lava lamp first.
I can't get up.
Chef is doing some weird things. Look at.
Can't see it in the movie.
What are we doing?
Green.
We're gonna do green. Okay. So we've got our jar set up here, and we've got some oil. I'm gonna get our water right there. So let's pour the water in first.
You want me to take out the jar?
Yeah. Let's
Let's take out the jar.
Let's take out the jar. I don't want to spill. Okay. Well, I don't want to spill in the box. Okay, so there's the water. Now, a lot of people have been filling it mostly with oil so that the bubbles go up faster. Oh, I forgot to get the alkaselzer out of the storage. So, are you able to open that? I can't do it without 2 hands, obviously. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's open. Let's do like 3 drops of the green. Yeah, there you go. Maybe 4 drops. Make it nice and dark. 4. I kind of wanted to like stir it a little bit, but
Don't stir it, yeah.
Oh.
Don't never stir it. Or it'll mix up and it'll turn a really icky color. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
we're gonna have to let it settle.
Whoa.
There we go. So look at that. It's already got bubbles in it.
Bubbles.
Yeah. Okay, so while that's settling, I'm going to go get the alkaselzer out of the medicine cabinet. Right back. Okay, so we've got our handy dandy Kroger brand antacids, alkaselzer. Oh, there's 2 in each one. Okay.
Just do one.
Just how many?
I think one.
Just 1? Okay. So let's put this jar in our fancy box. And we'll break these up and put them in. today. We kind of,
Let's
Daddy,
do the rocket. Let's do the rocket.
we could do the rocket tomorrow because it's
But
already.
Come on outside.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's
Ryan.
8 o'clock, silly.
No, when it gets
Oh,
to
look
the
at him.
other...
Putting his hands on his hips.
Mommy,
Yeah, he's kind of backlit. What, Charlie?
how about we do that into the next day?
The next day? Okay.
Well,
Sounds good. All right, guys. That's it for today. That was our day of shenanigans, our home vlog, our daily vlog. Thank you for joining us.
Daddy, we're just
What did we do today? We talked about food.
Daddy, we're just
Yeah, we talked about
And
our
more
food
food.
and more food. We went for a run. We got chased back by the rain, and then we went to Peachy Berry.
Yeah, Peachy
Peachy Berry! And then we did our experiment. So now we're going to call it a day. It's 8 o'clock already. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's show, our daily vlog. Woohoo! We got more to come. We got a lot of things planned for the summer while the kiddo's out until he goes back to California. So, yeah.
How about we put this into
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.